Welcome to the third session. So in this session I'm going to continue the console input and what is a white space, what are the different types of comments in C++ programming. So let's get started. So this is our last program we had done. That's nothing but we are going to declare the data type as a string and you are directly passing the value to that particular data type. That's nothing but the variable is you have taken it as a name and Ajay is passed to the name, and then when you want to fetch the information Ajay, you are going to call with the variable name. That's nothing but name is the name you have given to that particular string data type. So now apart from hardcoding the values, directly passing the values, take from the user what he wants the particular name to be. Okay, then you are going to use console input. That's nothing but scene greater than name. Okay, now the particular name which is going to be taken from the user, and then you are telling that the name of the student is whatever the user is going to enter, that name is going to be shown. Okay, let's execute this program. So when the particular program is executed, the cursor is blinking blank. That's nothing but it is going the block. You whatever the instructions you have written, it is going to execute line by line. Okay, first it is going to start execution from the main, and then it is going for the 6th line, and then it is going for the 7th, and then 8th, and then 9th. Okay, now cin is written. Okay, that's nothing but the particular user is expecting the name to be entered by the user. The program is expecting the name to be entered by the user. Okay, let's give some name which is going to be like, for example, I'm going to give some Shrikant. Okay, now this particular Shrikant is stored in the name variable. Okay, then in the next line, whatever you have entered, that particular data is going to be given to the name variable, and then you are fetching the particular data which is stored in the name. Okay, the name of the student is Shrikant. Okay, now let's make it user friendly. So that's nothing but what the particular user wants to enter. Let him know what to enter. Okay, then I'll write the enter the student name. Okay, enter the student name. This is nothing but you are telling the user to enter the student name. Apart from directly blank space, blank console, you just tell the user what to enter. Okay, now you had told that enter the student name. Till the particular user is not entering the name, it will not go to the next line. Okay, now just give some name. You have given it as Pradeep. Okay, now you have given it as Pradeep. Let's go to the next line. Okay, the name of the student is Pradeep. Okay, now see here. Now enter the student name is going to be called first. Okay, now whatever user has entered, okay, he has entered Pradeep. Okay, now this particular line to be erased and then go to the next line. Then what you will be doing? You need to use system CLS. Okay, what is system CLS? Okay. Okay, now see here. Now after taking the name, it is going to clear the screen. Okay, let's run this program and see. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, enter the student name. Okay, enter the student name. After entering, okay, I'll enter some Shilpa. Okay, now after entering, what you have written? System CLS. After taking the data, clear the screen and then go to the 10th line. Okay, let's run this program. Now see here. Now we are not able to see what the user has entered. There's nothing but only the name which is entered is only you are able to see. There's nothing but name of the student is Shilpa. Okay, that's nothing but whatever the user is entering, you are not showing what he is entering, and you are clearing the screen and then going for the next instruction. This is all about console input. Okay, it is going to apply for all integers. Okay, int a you write. Okay, cin greater than a. Then you can write the value of a is where the particular value of a is stored in the variable a. Okay, that applies for the same for all the data types. Okay, then what is white spaces? Okay, what is white space? Whenever you are going to give some extra space, okay, now you have given something space you have given. Okay, without giving this space, okay, now I am writing all the particular statements in one line only. Okay, if I write a complete line, if I am writing the complete code in one line only, then what happens? What you are expecting, this program will run? Yeah, of course it will run, because white spaces are allowed in the particular programming language, C++ programming language. Okay, now the particular program is running, you can give the data and you can expect the same result as before. Okay, what is white space? Apart from writing the particular statements in next lines, allowing the spaces, okay, you can write the complete program in one line also, but the programmer will get confused if you are writing the complete code in one line only. So you are going to use the white spaces, which is ignored by the compiler. Okay, now you can write the complete program in one line only. There is no issues. Okay, if you are going to make, for example, I have taken some example. Okay, I had declared int salary. Okay, int salary I have given a space equal to space b space plus space c. Okay, this b and c is added and then given to a variable, and it is same as this particular statement, a equal to b plus c without spaces also. This is nothing but white spaces are going to be ignored by the compiler. Okay, now semicolon. Okay, whenever you are writing the particular statement, you are going to enter semicolon after end of the statement. That's nothing but you are telling to the compiler, this is a particular statement. Okay, end of the statement. Now go to the next line and execute. Okay, this semicolon is going to be understood by the compiler. That's nothing but this is the end of the line. Okay, this is nothing but semicolon is going to be termination of the statement. Termination of the statement, you are going to give it as a comment. Okay, then why this particular name white spaces are there? If any file is there, okay, 1 MB file is there. Okay, if you are writing the complete program in 1 MB file, and then the particular file, even you can write the complete program in one line also. Then the particular compression techniques will be there. Okay, if you are writing the complete program in one line, it may take 1 KB. Okay, apart from giving the white spaces, it is occupying more space. So white spaces for particular programmer friendly, you are going to allow the particular white spaces. And one more thing, C++ is case sensitive language. Case sensitive language is nothing but apart from writing your name, you write capital name. Then now the C++ compiler is thinking this capital N-A-M-E is different from this particular name. Okay, now it is case sensitive. Okay, case sensitive. Whatever you write here, write the same particular name in this particular name also. Wherever you call the name, that should be same. Okay, if you are writing capital N here, then give capital N here. Okay, this is all about the white spaces and a termination of the statements. Okay, then what is a comment? What is comment? Comment is nothing but which is going to be ignored by the compiler. Okay, this is my basic example. This is my basic example. Okay, if I am writing this particular statement without comments, then compiler is not thinking that this is the extra statement given. Okay, now what the compiler is giving is I am not able to understand. Basic is not able to understood. Okay, example I am not able to understand. What are these complete keywords you have written? I am not able to understand. Okay, actually you don't want this particular compiler to understand. Okay, this particular program you have given for your understandability. Okay, then the particular first line, whatever you have written for your understanding, then you should make it as a comment. This is my basic program. This is nothing but single line comment. Okay, when I use // this particular line is going to be ignored by the compiler. Okay, now this particular line, if you have this is my basic program. These are nothing but data types. Okay, these are data types. Then this particular whatever you are writing int. Okay, int is a data type. Int is a data type, and then you write float is a data type. Okay, you want this complete 4 lines of code to be ignored by the compiler. Then you are using all the lines you are using // instead of going to every line and writing // you can write the multiple line comments. That's nothing but here you are writing multiple line comments. Okay, now multiple line comments is going to be supported when you want to when you want the compiler to ignore one or more statements, you are going to use the multiple line comments. Okay, now one more thing is multiple line comments cannot be nested. That's nothing but here. If you are writing multiple line comment, now you can't write one more multiple line comment in this. Okay, you can't write one more multiple line comments in this. Okay, but whenever it sees this particular symbol, this is going to be ignored. Okay, whenever this particular it has seen this one, it is ignored. Now it is going to consider after this what are you write. Okay, this is nothing but multiple line comments cannot be nested, but single line comments can be nested. There's nothing but inside one single line comment you can write one more single line comment. There is no issues, but multiple line comments cannot be nested. Okay. That's about all the comments. Comments are going to be used for proper documentation. Okay, comments are going to be used for proper documentation. Okay, that's all for this session. We will continue next. Thank you.